All right, the next type of graph that we're going to look at is going to be a stem and leaf display. A stem and leaf display is a tool that organizes and groups the data while allowing us to see the actual data values that make up the data. We record data values using the digits to the left of the rightmost digit as the stem, and each rightmost digit is the leaf. All right, so in this particular case, we only have 2-digit numbers, which makes it really easy. So our stems are the tens column of each of these. So we have values that are in their 20s to in their 70s. So our stems are the 2 through 7. Let's say we went from 20s to 150s. Then we'd have 2 through 15. So it is possible to have more than one digit in our stem column here, depending on how big our numbers are. Right, so the list below indicates the ages of a sample of 20 guests who stayed at the Captain Fairfield Inn bed and breakfast. So we're going to go ahead and put these in here, and we're going to represent each of our data points by drawing a leaf in the appropriate row. I'm not going to worry about getting the leaves in order. Sometimes that is something that we do want to do. We might sketch something out in pencil and then draw in something nice in the end. But we're just going to go through and look at these. So 29 means we're going to have a 9 in that 2 row, so that 2 in that 9 represents 29. 31, 39, 43, 56, 60, 62, 59, 58, 32, 47, 27, 50, 28, 71, 72, 44, 45, 44, and 68. Right, so we put a leaf in there for each of our different ages that we had in our data set. The advantages of stem and leaf displays shows individual data values. Right, looking at that, we can see our individual data values. Helps investigate the shape of the distribution without technology, so we can kind of get a general idea of the shape of our distribution based on how many things we have in each row. Disadvantages, they're not as common as histograms, and if we were to have a data set that had a lot of individual data values, 100, 500,000 data values, this would be a little bit overwhelming and time consuming to be able to construct. But stem and leaf displays are definitely another way that we can graphically represent statistical data.